Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Detective Pikachu Returns. We will go over the core mechanics, helping you dive right into the charming world of Rhyme City. You'll learn how to team up with the one-of-a-kind Detective Pikachu, gathering vital information and piecing together complex puzzles. Get ready to explore, interrogate, and deduce your way through thrilling cases alongside your electric partner, uncovering secrets and enjoying every moment of your adventure. The heart of being a detective lies in gathering evidence. You'll spend much of your time speaking with the many residents of Rhyme City, both human and Pokémon, to uncover crucial testimonies. Don't forget to meticulously search every corner of your surroundings. Important items can be cleverly hidden. Pikachu's unique abilities, like his powerful sense of smell, are indispensable for finding those elusive clues. Remember to log everything in your case notebook. Once you have a collection of clues, it's time to put your detective skills to the test. Open your case notebook and carefully review all the information you've gathered. Your goal is to connect the dots, forming logical deductions that explain the mystery at hand. When you feel confident, present your conclusions to solve the case. Successfully solving each puzzle will advance the captivating story, bringing you closer to the truth behind Rhyme City's biggest secrets. To become a top-notch detective, here are a few helpful tips. If you ever find yourself stuck, revisit previous locations and re-examine everything. New clues might appear. Don't hesitate to speak with characters multiple times, as they might offer fresh insights. Make sure to fully utilize Pikachu's unique skills, like his ability to understand Pokémon, to unlock hidden information. Most importantly, immerse yourself in the delightful narrative and enjoy the journey with your witty partner.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.